Hi, I'm Konstantin. Let's talk about prototypes. How many prototypes do you actually need for your product idea? Is it just one and done? No, not really. In many cases, you have to produce more than just one prototype to get that right balance between the functionality, performance, aesthetics, and the user experience of your product. But we all know cases where people produce thousands of prototypes, like take Dyson, who made over 5,000 prototypes for his cyclone technology. Is that really a norm? No, that's also not a norm. In most cases, you would go through somewhere between 2 to maybe 20 prototypes. Simpler products would allow you to produce more prototypes and get the tiny details finalized while staying on a reasonable budget, while bigger projects and more complex products would probably be more expensive to prototype multiple times, so you would likely get away with just a couple of them. But overall, I would say like most of our customers go through at least 2 to 4 prototypes. Obviously, you have your alpha prototype, which is just the first functional prototype, and you have your beta prototype, which looks closer to the production piece and performs better. And sometimes you have more prototypes. It depends on what are you actually building, what your product is, and what needs to be figured out. If you're using some kind of novel technology, or if there is some kind of innovation in your product, then you'll likely need to go through more prototypes. But as we all know, prototyping is a never-ending process, so you just need to get to the point where you feel the product is good enough for the market, where your consumers and customers will be happy. At that point, just push it forward to the next stage, which might be design for manufacturing or going straight to production.